Migalaw, shoutout. Amigo Joy, chard na ako. Sige, chard ka po, Amigo Joy. Thank you po. Kalingap Ani Shouty, sabi ni Sir Kabarter Naga. Ayan. Wala pa order po. Ikot-ikot po kayo. Hindi na papasok doon sa loob. Sis Aida, sabi ni Sis Atiani B. Kalana. Kuya Robert, maglaban na ako. Dito na ako mukha akong hampas. Sige amigo, salamat. Please join me. Okay na? 4 minutes? Okay. Thank you. 4 minutes. 4 minutes waiting. Bello. Inar, thank you so much for coming. 4 minutes. Then after 4 minutes, I'm going to end my live streaming. Okay, a lot of people here. And have a lot of stuff. Miss Aida, mayong half Migalaw, shout out, sabi ni Kuya RZV Vlogs. Highlight. Hello guys, magaya na ako. Thank you. You're welcome sis, magaya na po ako. Kunin ko na yung ano. Bro, relax. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. I will going to end my live streaming. Hello everyone, Makoy's Paradise. Migalaw Tarot, Makoy Paradise. Pero relax, thank you so much. Thank you for liking. You're welcome, bro. Relax. Thank you so much. Charlie, Migalaw, shout out. Good afternoon. Good evening pala. Thank you po. Magaya na po ako guys. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Bye bye. Thank you po. Magaya na po ako.